Well, welcome back to the channel. Today is a new day. It's early, 6:30 in the morning. I'm heading into Kenai to Home Depot. We got the well up and running, water going through the bathhouse at the new property yesterday. Turned everything on, and come to find out, the hot water heater had been sitting so long that it's no longer functional. So rather than try and repair it or do anything like that, Home Depot has another 40-gallon tank in stock, same make. I'm gonna go get it, and I'm gonna try my hand at installing a new hot water heater. So hopefully all goes well. So enjoy. Let's have a great day. Pretty dark out this morning. Sun doesn't come up till 8:30 now this time of year. Days are getting short. Been open for 5 minutes. 7:05. It's me a half hour to get here. There we go. I got it on my cart. Same day installation. Not true in Alaska. Maybe in the lower 48. That's okay. I'm pretty confident I can do it myself. So, get that. Got a new pan for it. Got some Teflon tape. Just have to get one more item, and then we'll be on our way. So we got the pump hooked up. We had flowing water yesterday. Charged everything. And then turned on the hot water heater. It doesn't work. So today I went and bought a new hot water heater similar to this. Since this is already electric, there's no gas in this building. And we're going to be changing out the hot water heater. Got a buddy that's going to show up in a little bit to help me carry this outside and bring the new one in. Just because I don't want to bust a gut. But we'll get that all done, and hopefully we'll be in business with hot water. So let's get on with changing out a hot water heater. First time ever for me. So I turned off the water to all the building underneath, and then I opened up the spigot and I didn't get anything coming out. And I realized it's because there was a vacuum. So I've loosened this top cold water intake up. You can hear it gurgling. So the water inside the tank should be draining outside. And it is. Right there. So it's draining. I'll let that sit there and drain. Once it's drained out as much as it's going to go, I'll shut that valve off, and it should make it light enough to carry in at that point in time. So we'll let that go. And then we'll go from there. So basically, how this thing's wired is kind of got me nervous. I don't know what this is. Apparently it doesn't go to anything in the panel. It's just an extra wire. I'm going to do it a little bit different on this one than what they did. But we'll see it, and I'll get the hot side disconnected here in a second. I'll let it continue to drain. Those are disconnected. All the water's drained. So I will disconnect the hose. Got a tub to put underneath the hot water heater as well. So in case it ever leaks, it'll go in the tub, at least some of it. So now I gotta just disconnect the wiring. Well, I've got it all removed. That, I gotta clean the floor a little bit. And then I'll put the pan down. Show you the bottom of this thing. The bottom of this thing is all rusted. And it looks like there's a little hole down there, so I think it was even leaking. It's old. See what we can do with it as far as disposal. We'll get the new one installed here shortly. Well, there's the beast. That's the same one I showed you at Home Depot. Same day installation will be me. Once my buddy gets here, he can help me carry it in. Probably carry the box up onto the deck there and open it up and then take the tank in. Hopefully it'll work. Stupid insulating things. Alright, I have to struggle here for a minute. Okay, so I got the two water pipes connected. I'll go downstairs, turn water on. I do have the valve shut off here. But I'm going to turn the water on, charge the lines into the building, and then I'll turn that on and make sure I don't have any leaks. And then once that's all set, then I'll hook up the electrical. Okay, here goes nothing. coming in that side. Open a hot water. I got a hot water faucet open. Nothing leaking on this side yet. The water was there when I took it off, so we'll watch that. Nothing leaking down at the ball valves. Oh, looks like it's going to hold. There we go. I'll use duct tape over the ends down in this area, or not duct tape, but electrical tape around this area. All the wire nuts on, but it's definitely better than what they had before. And everything will be inside. The wires won't be above. So let me get this put on. It's hard to hold a camera and do it all, so we'll get it on and we'll hit the power. Well, that looks more like it. So let's hit the breaker. Breaker's on. I don't see any sparks. I can hear it humming in there. So all we can do now is wait, see how long it's going to take. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick down and dirty hot water heater reinstall. First time I've done it on a big one like this. I think my wiring looks better. Nothing electrical taped outside of it. It's all contained in the box where it's supposed to be. No water leaks. Pressure's on everything. It's pretty easy. Check it in a few hours or tomorrow morning and see how hot the water is, and then adjust it from there. But other than that, God bless, hugs, see you on the next video.